What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to install some new valve cover gasket on my 2012 Toyota Tundra. Okay guys, so I already replaced one the one on the passenger side. It's going to be the same process though, but when I was replacing the water pump on this truck, it's been a while now, I did just go ahead and replace one. The time was catching up on me, so I couldn't get to do both of them. So in today's video we're going to show you guys how to install these new valve cover gasket. This one here is for the spark plug tube, you know what I mean. I replaced the spark plug and ignition coil yesterday, and one of them was leaking, one of these tubes here, so the spark plug is getting wet a little bit, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead today and show you guys how to do all this. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this battery negative terminal right here, alright, and put that aside. I'm gonna take off the engine cover for right now. Take that off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove these ignition coils. Just squeeze the tab right here. Squeeze that, pull up. Just do all of them just like that. Disconnect all of them, guys. Then we're gonna just back out these 10 bolts. Then we're gonna have to back these out so we can take these wire loom off of it. Disconnect these right here. All of these wires. Go ahead and unplug all of them. There's another one right here, just squeeze the tab. Squeeze the tab and unplug them, guys, okay? So you have to pull these things so we can take this up. We're gonna pull all of these bolts here. And then we're gonna have some 10 bolts right along there, right around. Round and round. Alright. Okay guys, so to pull these little small bolt here, these are E8. So get an E8 socket and pull these, unplug all of that. Now we're just gonna go ahead and continue back out the ignition coils. Let's go in there with the 10 socket. What you want to do all of that, guys? You know what I mean? So a lot of these wire is all loose already. There is one more here to unplug. Just squeeze the tab. If you have something like this, you can go underneath it while you're squeezing it, because sometimes they're stuck real hard. Okay guys, so I'm getting there. As you guys can see, I removed the fuel line, gas line. I removed that from here. You know, we want to make as much room as possible. I remove this hose from over here. I have 2 bolts at the back here now. I'm going to pull those 2 at the back there. You know what I mean? So I can move this some more. Alright, so we get in there, guys. Okay guys, so I think we're ready now to start pulling this valve cover bolt here. Go ahead and pull them out. One here, there's another one around here. This one down here, down at the bottom here. There's this little thing right here. I just push it out of the way. I didn't unplug it because it's right here. There's a bolt right there. See that? So we're just gonna pull them. I have a lot of room now, guys. I put the wire over here, as you can see. See that? Okay guys, so before I go further, I go ahead and remove all the bolts around here. Don't forget to take this one out. Here is one in the middle right here. Go ahead and take that out, guys. After that, now we're just gonna go ahead and start to pry it. It's on there real good, so you have to pry it off. there's a pint right here. And I use something like this, put underneath it like that. And try it, guys, but just be careful, don't break anything. Alright. Okay guys, so I just go ahead and take it out of there. I'm just gonna go ahead and take up this old gasket here. Let's go ahead and take it out like that. The breeze start to blow hard. Take that out and we're gonna clean up the surface. Gonna clean up around. Clean up these places. The engine still gonna look clean, guys, after almost 300,000 miles. What you guys think? A lot of dust falling here just now. Have to wipe these out. Can them look pretty. I almost have 270,000 miles on this truck here, guys. Yeah, the engine is clean and pretty. Yeah. This is the valve cover right here. So, one of these was leaking yesterday. I don't remember if it's this one of them. Spark plug is getting wet. So we're gonna go ahead now and take those out and install the new ones. Clean this up a little bit before I put it back. So to take out these seal, what I do, I just put this down here like so, go inside and pry it up, guys. I put the paper so it doesn't damage, you know, like the edge here. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to remove all of them. Yes guys, so I'm putting in the valve cover gasket. Just push it in, just press it in, guys, you know what I mean. And this seal here, just push it in, put a little aisle around it and slide it in, guys. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and remove all of those old ones, install these new one, new gasket around here. We're gonna go ahead now and throw this back on. Okay guys, so before I go ahead and install it, we're gonna put a Tata silicone right here. We're gonna put some down here too, also on this side here. And by right, you're supposed to replace these gaskets in here, or O-ring, but I checked the kit what I bought and there is none in there, so I guess I'm gonna have to put it on back for right now, you know what I mean. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch all the bolts. The first one that I catch is the middle one right here, because it's gonna be like up, you know what I mean. So when you catch that, you just press it down in place. So you have some guide pins and all that, so make sure everything line up properly before you send it down, okay? Alright, so now we're just gonna finish bolt this up and that should be it, guys. Okay guys, so I go ahead and reinstall everything. I'm gonna go ahead now and start it up. Turn on the ignition first. The fuel can go back into the line and all that. Let's try to fire it up now. Right? So you see we have 297 miles, guys. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you install a new valve cover gasket on your Toyota Tundra, guys. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead, leave a like on the video, share the video. Can always feel free to comment, guys. I think the torque specs for those bolts, I think it's like 43 foot-pound, somewhere there. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to break none of those bolts, so you want to make sure you know what you're doing and all that, you know what I mean? So yeah, like, share, subscribe. If it's your first time on here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We have a lot more videos to come. Tomorrow, I'm going to install a new drive shaft on this Infiniti Q50. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.